it's Mr. ATV Junkie here, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing and review on a new knife that I ordered a couple of weeks ago. So, I ordered this from GearBest, and it's a Ganzo knife. Let's take a look at it. Here we have it. Take a little look at the packaging. Here we have some Russian. Rushby Suka Blyet. Yeah, that's pretty much all it says. Let's see. I can open this. There we have it. Been quite exciting for this one. This is my first Ganzo knife. I heard a lot of good things about it, but I don't know for myself because this is my first. Let's see. Here we have a little pouch. Seems good. Very soft to the touch. Feels like silk with a Firebird logo. Ganzo tools. Good. And here we have the knife itself. Let's take a look at what else we get in this. Just this little thing, silica. Let's see. Ganzo. Here it says it's a 1-year warranty on this product. Here we have some of the other models. And pretty much just the warranty card. Let's put that to the side. Take a look at the knife. Ooh. Feels good to the touch, yeah. G10 handle. Let's see. Details on this one, beautiful. The blue here, the blue there. Let's see how this feels. Ooh. Yeah, I like it. Ganzo Firebird, and it says this is a G751 model in 440C, and it seems to be in quite good condition. No rattle, no play this way, no side play, no play in this direction, no play at all in the blade. Quite good. Let's take a look at the lock, the liner lock. Makes a good little click there. This is not an assisted knife. This is purely your power that brings this one out. So you could open this in like a flick. Or maybe you just want to use this like the thumb stud. Yeah. And here we have the clip. For me it looks like you can have the clip on either side. Either this one or this one. With just regular Torx screw it looks like. Yeah, Torx screw. Yep. So there we have it, the new Ganzo G751 Firebird. I like it. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys have a beautiful evening. Feels good. Bye bye.